Welcome brainers! In this video, we'll show you how to fix the "this site cannot be reached" error. The error message may differ depending on the browser you are using, but our steps will address all such issues. Solution 1. Update DNS settings. The issue might be with your default DNS settings, so let's switch to a more reliable DNS server. Please open up the settings. Select Network and Internet. Depending on your connection type, click on either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You should see an option called DNS Server Assignments. Click on Edit. It might currently say Automatic or DHCP. Let's change that to Manual. Please enable IP version 4. For the preferred DNS, just type 8888, that's 4 8s. And for the alternate DNS, type 1111, 4 1s. Click on Save. Great! Now, close your browser and open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type in ipconfig/flush DNS and hit Enter. Finally, reopen your browser and you should be good to go. Solution 2. Verify internet connection stability. Your internet connection status isn't always just a simple up or down. Sometimes, even if it appears to be up, there could be underlying issues within your ISP's network affecting its stability. Let's check this further. Please go to fiber.google.com/speedtest. Once you are in, click on Go. Wait for the results to load. For a smooth browsing experience, please look for the following values. Ping, 100 milliseconds or less. Jitter, 30 milliseconds or less. Download speed, 2 megabits per second or more. Upload speed, 1 megabit per second or more. It's okay if your values do not exactly meet these targets, but if they significantly deviate from the expected range, it could be the cause of your browsing issues. In such cases, please try rebooting your computer and network devices, and if the issue persists even after rebooting, get in touch with your internet service provider for assistance. Solution 3. Use free proxy websites. If you cannot access a website from your location, try using free proxy websites. Please open one of these proxy links from the video description. And within the proxy website, try to access the website that was giving you an error. I hope this is helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you've any questions or thoughts, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.